The market for mid-range premium Android tablets has experienced a sudden surge in competition, driven by consumers who demand flagship-level performance without paying top-tier prices. Seeking to capture this exact demographic, Vivo's performance-focused sub-brand has expanded its tablet lineup with the introduction of the iQOO Pad 5C. Placed strategically within its family hierarchy, this tablet leans heavily into the brand's gaming heritage, while quietly positioning itself as a robust productivity tool. Powered by a formidable Qualcomm processor, a massive battery, and an advanced cooling framework, the iQOO Pad 5C attempts to redefine what users should expect from a mid-tier entertainment and work machine. Sleek aesthetics and build quality. At first glance, the iQOO Pad 5C strikes a compelling balance between industrial minimalism and everyday portability. Despite housing an enormous battery component, the tablet manages an impressively slim profile, measuring just 6.62 millimeters in thickness. Weighing in at 584 grams, it carries a balanced heft that feels substantial and premium without inducing wrist fatigue during prolonged reading or gaming sessions. The chassis relies on a high-quality aluminum alloy construction, finished with a smooth matte texture that resists unsightly fingerprint smudges. The rear panel is clean and uncluttered, sporting a subtly styled circular camera module that breaks away from traditional square camera bumps. Available in two distinct colorways, the minimalist silver wing and the deeper gray crystal, the tablet fits seamlessly into both a professional corporate meeting room and a casual gaming setup. The bezels surrounding the screen are remarkably thin and symmetrical, achieving an elegant 87% screen-to-body ratio that maximizes active workspace. A high refresh rate visual canvas. The centerpiece of the iQOO Pad 5C is undoubtedly its expansive 12.1-inch IPS LCD panel. Instead of settling for a standard resolution, the manufacturer has chosen a crisp 2.8K display configuration, pushing a dense 2,800 by 1968 pixels. This layout translates to a sharp 276 pixels per inch density, making fine text rendering razor-sharp and reducing jagged edges in complex graphics. Furthermore, the display adopts a versatile 3:2 aspect ratio. This square format provides significantly more vertical screen real estate compared to standard widescreen tablets, turning the device into an absolute powerhouse for viewing documents, editing spreadsheets, and browsing web articles. For multimedia enthusiasts and mobile gamers, the panel supports a blistering 144Hz refresh rate coupled with an ultra-responsive touch sampling rate. Navigating through the user interface feels incredibly fluid, and supported gaming titles run with exceptional visual smoothness. Color accuracy is similarly impressive. The panel reproduces over 1 billion individual colors, supports HDR10 content, and reaches a peak brightness of up to 900 nits. This level of illumination ensures that the screen remains fully legible even when subjected to challenging indoor lighting conditions or direct sunlight near windows. Uncompromising performance and advanced cooling. Beneath the sleek exterior lies a highly potent internal architecture. The iQOO Pad 5C is driven by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, built on an efficient 4nm process node. This octa-core system features a high-performance Prime Cortex X4 core clocked at 3.0 GHz, supported by 4 Cortex A720 performance cores running at 2.8 GHz, and 3 energy-efficient Cortex A520 cores at 2.0 GHz. Graphic duties are handled seamlessly by the integrated Adreno 735 GPU, which provides excellent rendering capabilities for heavy 3D rendering tasks. Memory configurations are tailored for intense workloads, offering either 8 GB or 12 GB of cutting-edge LPDDR5X RAM. For internal storage, users can select between 128 GB and 256 GB capacities. It is worth noting a critical technical distinction. The base 128 GB model utilizes UFS 3.1 storage architecture, whereas the larger 256 GB variants are upgraded to the faster UFS 4.1 standard, which offers superior data read and write velocities. To prevent thermal throttling during extended hardware stress, the tablet incorporates a massive 32,200 square millimeter vapor chamber cooling module. Combined with large graphite heat dissipation sheets, this system keeps surface temperatures comfortable and guarantees sustained frame rates during marathon gaming sessions or complex video editing tasks. Software System UI and AI Ecosystem. The software experience on the iQOO Pad 5C feels mature and highly tailored for a large-screen form factor. Running Origin OS 6 HD based on the advanced Android 16 platform out of the box, the interface is polished, responsive, and free of unnecessary clutter. Where the operating system truly shines is its suite of built-in AI productivity utilities. The tablet comes equipped with a PC-grade WPS Office suite, enabling an interface and feature set that closely mirrors a desktop computing experience. Students and working professionals will find immense value in the AI PPT assistant, which helps structure, format, and generate presentation slide layouts effortlessly. Cross-device integration is another major highlight. The multi-screen collaboration feature allows users to mirror their compatible smartphones directly onto the tablet screen, facilitating drag-and-drop file transfers, shared clipboards, and unified notification handling. Additional software highlights include integrated document scanning capabilities, wireless printing protocols, and secure face unlock functionality via the front-facing camera array. Battery longevity and audio engineering. A large screen and a high-performance processor require an equally robust power supply. The iQOO Pad 5C addresses this with an extraordinary 10,000 mAh non-removable battery capacity. This cell easily provides enough endurance for a full day of heavy mixed use, translating to roughly 16 hours of continuous local video playback or an entire day of office workflows. When it is time to recharge, the tablet supports 44W wired fast charging via its USB Type-C port, getting the massive cell back to operational levels in reasonable time frames. Furthermore, it supports a smart bypass charging system that routes incoming electricity directly to the motherboard rather than through the battery during gaming sessions, drastically minimizing heat generation and preserving long-term battery health. A 5W reverse wired charging feature is also included, letting the tablet act as an emergency power bank for wireless earphones or smartphones. Audio reproduction is handled by an immersive quad stereo speaker array. Positioned strategically on the sides of the device, these drivers deliver loud, clean audio with distinct spatial separation and surprisingly deep low-end frequencies, eliminating the absolute necessity of external headphones when watching cinema or playing games. Camera integration and connectivity suites. While tablet cameras are rarely the primary tool for photography, the imaging hardware here is highly functional for daily professional tasks. The rear panel houses a single 8-megapixel autofocus camera paired with an LED flash, making it ideal for capturing quick whiteboard notes or utilizing the built-in document scanner. On the front, a 5-megapixel sensor handles video conferencing, online classes, and selfie duties. Both cameras are capable of recording clear 1080p video at 30 frames per second. In terms of connectivity, the device features a high-speed USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 1 port that supports on-the-go data transfers and external video output, alongside a proprietary magnetic connector for official keyboard accessories.